Children, in the last class we studied prime numbers and composite numbers. What are prime numbers? The numbers that have only two factors are prime numbers. Then what are composite numbers? The numbers that have more than two factors are called composite numbers. Today we will learn an easy method to find prime and composite numbers. All of you listen here. Look at the number 2. We can divide this number with 1 and 2. So, only two factors. So, this is a prime number. Then take number 3. This also we can divide this number with 1 and with 3. So, this 3 is also a prime number. Then consider the number 4. We can divide the number with 1. We can divide this 4 with 4. As it is an even number, according to the divisibility rule, we can divide this number with 2 also. So, here 3 factors. So, 4 is a composite number. Then look at the number 5. We can divide this number 5 with 1. We can divide this 5 with 5. No any other numbers can be divided with a 5. So this is a prime number. Like this you can calculate prime and composite numbers. Then you all know that 2 is the smallest prime number. 2 is the smallest prime number and 1 is neither prime nor a composite. 1 is not a prime number and not a composite number. So, 1 is not included in prime number and composite numbers. Are you all listening? All of you look here. These are numbers from 1 to 50. I write here numbers from 1 to 50. 1 is, we can cross out 1 as 1 is neither a prime nor a composite. I crossed out 1. Then look at the next number 2. We all know that 2 is a prime number. Find out the multiples of 2. We know that 4 is a composite number. So all other multiples are composite number, that is understood. So we can cross out the multiples of 2. 4, 6, 8, 0. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Again 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Again coming to the next row 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Then 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. So here I crossed out all the multiples of 2. Then coming to number 3, we know that it has only 2 factors and 3 is a lowest prime number. So here 4 is the lowest composite number. Look here, 4 is the lowest composite number, smallest composite number. Composite number starts from 4. So it is the smallest composite number. Then look at the number 3. Find out the multiples of 3. We know that 6. 6 is a composite number. Cross out all the multiples of 3. 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15, 6 3s are 18 is already crossed out, 7 3s are 21, 8 3s are 24 is already crossed. Then 9 3s are 27, 10 3s are 30, 11 3s are 33, 12 3s are 36. It is crossed. 13 3s are 39, 14 3s are 42. It is crossed. 15 3s are 45, 16 3s are 48. Then, so all the multiples of 3 are crossed. Then coming to number 4, we know that the multiples of 4, all the multiples of 4 comes under the multiples of 2. We have already crossed multiples of 2. Then coming to number 5. We have already 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. We have crossed multiples of 5. Then coming to 6. All the multiples of 6 come under the multiples of 3 and 2. We have already crossed multiples of 2 and 3. Then 8 comes under the multiples of 4, that we have already crossed. 9 comes under the multiples of 3, that we have already crossed. So 7. 1 7 is 7, 2 7s are 14, 3 7s are 21, 4 7s are 28, 5 7s are 35, 6 7s are 42, 7 7s are 49. So we have crossed 7 also. Then we know that numbers 2, it is a prime number, 3 a prime number, 5 a prime number, 7 prime number, then 11 prime number, 13 prime number, 17 prime number, 19 is a prime number, 23 is a prime number, 29 is a prime number, 31 is a prime number, 37 is a prime number, 41, 43, 47. All other numbers are composite numbers. 4 is the smallest composite number, 2 is the smallest prime number. So in between 1 and 50 there are 15 prime numbers and 34 composite number. 15 prime numbers and 34 composite numbers. These are natural numbers. 15 prime numbers and 34 composite numbers. That means 15 plus 34 equal to 49. Plus 1. 1 is neither a composite nor a prime number. So we excluded 1 from these numbers. 49 plus 1 gives 50. Now I hope all of you have clear the idea about prime numbers and composite numbers. Now we are going to another topic, prime factorization. We all know that what is a prime number? What is a prime number? The numbers that having only 2 factors are called prime numbers. Then what will be prime factorization? Method of writing numbers as the product of only prime numbers is called prime factorization. That means method of writing numbers as 2, 3, 5, 7. These are the lowest prime numbers. So writing the numbers as a product of 2, 3, 5, 7, etc. are called prime factorization. All of you look here. Look here, the method of writing number as the product of only prime numbers is called prime factorization. Next, factor tree method. In this method, the numbers are factorized into prime numbers. Look at the number 12. And according to the divisibility rule, we can divide this number with 2. According to factor tree method, we have to divide any number with the smallest prime factors. That means 2, 3, 5, 7, etc. We can, as it is an even number, we can divide this number with 2. How many times 2 goes in 12? We know that 6. 12 divided by 2 is 6. We know that we got 6 here. We know that 6 is a composite number. This is a prime number. 6 is a composite number. Do you understand? It has more factors. We have to again divide the 6. We can divide this number with 2. 2 On dividing 2 with 6, we will get 3. This is a prime number. This is a prime number. We have to divide this number until we get the prime numbers. Now we got prime numbers, so we can stop here. So 2 here, when multiplied, 2 into 3 equal to 6. 6 into 2 equal to 12. This is the factor tree method. So the prime factors of 12 equal to 2 into 2 into 3. That means all these multiplied to get 12. We get 12. Then we can look into another question. Look at another question. According to the divisibility rule, it is an even number. This number is an even number. So we can divide this number with 2. We draw like this. Here I write the prime factor 2 here. Then this will be a composite number. How many times 2 goes in 28? The half of 2 is 1. Half of 8 is 4. So we got 14 here. Here we know that this is a prime number and this is a composite number. According to the divisibility rule, we can divide this is even number. So we can divide this number with 2. When we divide this number with 2, what will we get? Here we get 7. So this is a prime number. These two are prime numbers. On multiplying, we get 7 into 2 equal to 14. 14 into 2 equal to 28. That is, prime factors of 28 are 2 into. We have to write these numbers as the product of prime numbers only. That means 2 into 2 into 7. 2 into 2 into 7. These are the prime factors of 28. We can do one more example. 45. We have to divide this number with 2, 3 or 5. According to the divisibility rule, we cannot divide this number with 2 because in the ones place here it is 5. We can take 3. According to the divisibility rule, sum of these numbers. What is the sum of this number? 5 plus 4 equal to 9. So we can divide this number. So we can write 3. How will you divide this number? 3 into dash equal to 45. 3 into, to get this number, we have to divide 45 with 3. 1 into 3, 3. On subtracting 1, we get 1. Bringing down 5 here. How many times in 15? 3. 5s are 15. Subtracting 0, 0. So here it is 15. We can write 3 into 15 equal to 45. We have to write the smallest prime factor. So we can write 5 also. 5 9s are 45. We can write 5 here and 9 here. In one side we write the composite number and one side we write the prime number. Here this is a composite number. So we can again divide this number into prime factors. How can we divide? We can divide this with 3 again. 3. 15 when divided by 3 give 5. So now we got the prime factors. We can write prime factors of 45 equal to 3 into 3 into 5. That is 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 5 equal to 45. Here 3 into 5 equal to 15. 15 into 3 equal to 45. Like this, you can find the factors by factor tree method. This method of writing the number as prime numbers is called factor tree method. Until we reach the prime numbers, we can stop. Children, I hope all of you understood the portion. Please study well and do the homework.